Okay, so I'm going to give a quick demo of our visualizations and our data products. So visualization with the heat map. So the data for all the crimes and the fire were loaded into Google Fusion tables, so then we can plot them into a heat map on Google Maps. So up top here you see all the fire icons are fire stations, and you can see the heat map in the green and the red of fire location of fire calls. So you can see that they're mostly distributed in the middle of the city area, but there's some outliers up here and down here in the suburbs. You can see the same for crime. Obviously, there's far less stations to cover all the crimes. So you have one down here for the suburban area, and 3 here for the main downtown area, and 1 up here to cover this. So then we also want to go to check out the dispatch direction, which is our data product. So here are the same police stations as before, and let's say I wanted to add an animal complaint crime somewhere here. Click the link, and we have animal complaint crime with directions from this right here is the police station, and this is the location of the crime. Now let's say we wanted to add something that was a little bit more severe, maybe an assault. And let's make that a little bit farther away. Now, with our data, we said that actually the closer that stuff is, the higher priority you want to make it, just because it seems to be that stuff that's closer to police stations has more crime. But in this case, the severity of the crime outweighed the distance, and we see that we have a priority of 1.09 for the animal complaint, whereas we had 1.19 for the assaults. Now, if we have another sort of pretty bad crime like a homicide, but put it farther away, we see that we actually get here last because its priority is lower because it's so far away from the closest station. So you kind of see how you can build a model where you can dynamically reroute the maps based on all sorts of variables, and we haven't even covered most of them. So you see here that you would go here first and then go all the way back over here, just based on, since this is a homicide that's pretty close to station.